Welcome, Michael Wickerson here from Wickerson Studios. I am demonstrating how you can get a kind of full visual understanding and coding understanding of a simple project of producing your own lattice structures. And this one I've thrown through a kind of curious kind of oscillation algorithm that I've made. But I've produced a basic lattice script in C# with GPT-4 text prompting, a funky intermediate script of GPT-4 text prompting in C#, and then I have a final funky advanced script which I put on here. And you can see it kind of comes together and then it blows apart. But it's fully parametric, it's quite understandable. I have a really nice link to it on the GPT-4 transcript for those interested in modifying this. And I just think this is the way to go without typing a single line of script and just modifying it and then parametrically controlling what you're doing. Everything's possible. So as I go into here and I actually think of a script and wanting to update it more in one direction or another, obviously oscillation kind of destroys it as it goes. You can output points, you can output lines, you can output NURBS curves that join the points, you can play with the oscillation and frequency of these things. All I do is kind of recursively and iteratively continue to play with these objects. These two actually aren't doing anything. I'm running these through a multiplier just to play off of things, and the more you kind of push this into its extreme, and I think I'll put one at positive, one at negative, you can see kind of how that 3D geometry plays out and changes itself. So nothing too tricky. The scripts are all under 50 lines of script. Kind of fun to play with, and I'll just leave it at that. And for those that want to download this boilerplate and this template, I'll continue with what I think are more interesting exercises in learning how to write C# script without writing a single line and learning how to debug that. You'll find that this transcript was pretty straightforward and all three scripts were generated without any debugging. Anyway, that's my bag at Wickerson Studios. I hope you find it interesting, and I'll put it up on my website for those that want to download it. Thanks for watching.